Celia is the point-of-care coordinator. She wants to be more visible and accessible to her point-of-care team, but there's always something pulling her back to her desk. It's as if there's a rubber band tied to her. Try to leave her desk to check in with her nurse managers. Back to her desk to solve a user access issue. Try to collaborate in the development of new training. Back to her desk to update training records. Need to inventory devices on the floor? Back to her desk to troubleshoot a problematic device. She just can't get away. But dragging her desk around with her just isn't practical. Then she discovered POC Mobile. POC Mobile lets Celia cut the cord, giving her the tools she needs to complete her most frequent tasks while on the go. Let's see what her day looks like with POC Mobile. When Nurse Jane stops in the hall because she can't get into a device and doesn't know why, instead of being snapped back to her desk, a simple scan of Jane's badge using POC Mobile tells her why and how to resolve it. Right there. Point of care handled. Nurse Michelle is dealing with a non-functioning device. No returning to her desk this time. Celia scans the old one to get the configuration and applies it to a replacement device with a single tap. No manual typing, writing things down, or running back and forth from her desk. Point of care handled. Time to record attendance for a new nurse operator training class? In the past, recording attendance to a certification course took about 1,000,000 steps. With POC Mobile, it's only one step, and Celia can delegate that step to any of the point-of-care trainers. One scan of a badge, and it's done. Point of care handled. Celia loves the freedom POC Mobile has given her. She can focus less on administrative tasks and more on improving patient care without the constant snap of the rubber band. POC Mobile. It's about time. Thanks for watching our videos. You can like and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking up here. To see more whiteboard examples, click here. To see animation examples, click here. Again, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.